Hello to everyone. This is what I'm going to show you now. It will blow your mind because I never saw something like this, and I have a proof for it. I can show you, and I will upload very soon the whole January time lapses from Nin, from Croatia, because in the end of this slideshow I will show you the yesterday morning catering from Nin, and you will see something what you cannot possibly imagine. If anyone ever told me that nothing is in our solar system, and that I inventing the things, and that I have I don't know, big imagination, whatever, or that I'm a liar or manipulator, I don't know what to say after this, because this is the undeniable proof. This is not that this is the proof. This is something incredible. This is something incredible. Someone has to stand out in the front of us and explain what is this, because I don't know what it is. And I don't want to argue about this. What is this? Because there are many objects there out in the sky, sorry, which I don't know what they are. So no, everybody is quiet, but that everybody that I call out now, they know very well what is it. So why someone don't just stand up in the front of the audience and said, what is it? We have to make pressure to the government. We have to pressure to the science community. They must tell us what the fuck this thing is, because this is now undeniable. We must know in what kind of danger we are, or we must know what's going on, or what will be going on. So this is today catering from Saturn. I'm going to show you this for the intro. As you can see here, undeniable, we have an object, a reddish yellow object, which is much more before the sunlight, above the horizon of these hills, where later, about 30 minutes later, will sun comes out. You can watch original photo in the upper left corner web address, and you can see when the sun comes out. So this is not the secret. Anyone in the world can have access to these photos. They are public. This is nothing what is hide from the people. You can just go to the weather Southern Switzerland and pick up any date almost a year ago. So now I'm going to show you the next photo. You will see what's going on here. So this is, as you can see, 2 minutes later, and you can see that this is still here. It's not formed like our sun, because it's more like in a fog, you know, got that foggy edge, and this is the something what is very characteristic for this object, because it's not sharp like our sun. It's probably because it's in other kind of light, illuminated with other kind of light. I suppose it's ultraviolet or infrared, and this kind of light, it's mingled with our sunlight, and then we get this object which is formed in that way, but it's that is encircled. Okay, this is 4 minutes later from the first photo. As you can see clearly, here we have an object very low on the horizon before our sun is out, and now this is sorry, very visible and undeniable. This is not any kind of light of reflection or refraction or whatever they said. This is the object that I'm going to show you now, very transparently, in some other slideshow from Croatia, because we have again situation in Pula in Croatia, like beyond yesterday, like 31st of January in Pula, which is camera pointed to the north, sorry. There we have again something what is visible and clearly visible, but especially when you look at the surface of the sea, because surface of the sea is a kind of a mirror that show what's going on in the sky. So if anybody make any intervention on the sky, it's not visible in the surface of the sea, because surface of the sea is always showing what is on the sky. Okay, here what you see is capturing from Pula, from Croatia, from yesterday, 1st of February 2015. Now watch what's going on here, because this is the second day in a row that we have this situation. This camera is pointed to the northwest, and you will see something what is going from the north to the northeast. And now watch this, how it's moving. So now we got here this reddish color which appear in the sky. This is 6 minutes later from the first photo. Here it is. Pay attention on the surface of the sea. As you can see, we got an object that floating from the left to the right side. This is 12 minutes after the first photo, or 18 minutes all in all. And now proceed to the next and the last photo in this serial. So this is the last photo in this. This is snatch of 4 times 6 minutes, 24 minutes, as I always said, 20 minutes, half an hour, 40 minutes. That's the time how long need this object to pass the focus of the camera. So here we got the final photo. As you can see on the horizon, we have a very strange illuminated light with a strange white core in the middle, which are shining. And this is from Pula, Croatia, from the 1st February 2015. And now we proceed to the final slideshow, and the most important, we are going to the Nin in Croatia. So here we go. This is Nin in Croatia, early in the morning, during the sunrise or before the sunrise. Here, far on the horizon, on the right side, you can see our sun. It's rising, and it's not yet above the horizon, but you can only see the traces of the light which are behind the horizon. Now watch what's going to happen here, because this is something incredible. This is a bomb. This is incredible. Okay, here we got something very special. As you can see, you can still see our sun. It's on the horizon. But as you can see, we have a light that is reflecting on the surface of the sea. And this is of course not from our sun, because this is completely come vertically, directly from the directly to the surface of the sea from above, not from the point where our sun is rising. So now I'm going to show you how vertically this light is. You can also know that this light is moving on the surface of the sea. It means that the other source of light, it's showing his presence, which is above the range of the camera. So let me show you. Okay, now you can see that this reflection on the surface of the sea is much more stronger, and we still have this light on the horizon in the upper right corner. Now watch this. Boom! Look at that! Look at that light in the middle of the bay. In the middle of this bay, look at that light. It's coming from above. It's undeniable. This is a reflection of something what is above this camera, above this focus. Look at where is the light of our sun. You will see soon now on the next photo. Look at how strong this light is. This is completely separate light. It's not our sun, because our sun is not even out. How can we have reflection of the sun vertically? This is vertical. This is above the sea. Directly above the sea. Look at that. Look at how big it is. Now watch the next photo. Now look at that. We have two sources of light. On the right side we have a source of our sun, which is reflecting on the surface of the sea and got its own trace on the water. So this is the on the right side, sorry, it's a sun with its reflection on the sun. But on the left side we have another source of light which is above the range of the camera, but we clearly see the reflection of the sun at the surface of the sea from the left side of our sun, which is much more bigger and much more stronger. And now we go to the final photo. So this is the final and last photo. As you can see here, we still have this reflection at the surface of the sea, which is significant, shows that this is the light that's traveling from the right to the left, and it's remarkable. You cannot deny this light. This is the light that it stands right above this light. This is the real mirror picture of this light. So our sun, as you can see, it's still on the far right and went to the west. This is the camera that showed east and southeast and northeast. So this is it. This is all. I think that this is the most incredible footage I ever made here, I ever catch. I will now upload the time lapses from NIN from whole January, so you can see that this is never occurred in this place ever in January. So we have 30 days without that light coming in the surface of the sea. Thank you very much for your attention and stay tuned. We wait for more and more good news.